What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you know, we're reading Where's Our Solar System? And right now, we're on Chapter 3. Before we get into it, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's go. By the mid-1700s, the Catholic Church no longer challenged Galileo's ideas. A heliocentric system of the sun with planets orbiting around it became more accepted. What have we learned about the sun and stars since Galileo's time? We know that the sun is the only star in our solar system, but there are many other solar systems scientists have already found. 500, but there are millions more. These solar systems also have planets and other objects orbiting around them. The sun is the star closest to Earth. After the sun, the next closest star is Proxima Centauri. The light from our own sun takes about 8 minutes to reach us on Earth. The light from Proxima Centauri takes 4.24 years. Just like other stars, our sun has no solid surface. It is a ball of hot gas, mostly hydrogen and helium. Stars produce heat and light from these gases. Even though the sun seems gigantic, there are much bigger stars out there. Because they are much farther away, they appear very small to us. We can't see them during the day because our sun is too bright that it blocks their light. At night, those other stars look like tiny pinpricks of light. All stars are born in giant spinning clouds made of gas and dust. They are called nebulas. Over millions of years, these particles of gas and dust join together and heat up. Once they become hot enough, a star is born. Stars live very long lives. In fact, even stars that are 200 million years old are considered young. Young stars are very hot. The surface temperatures can reach 100,000 degrees Fahrenheit. They are usually blue or blue-white in color. Our sun is a middle-aged star. Even though it is not as hot as a young star, it is still about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Our sun is known as a yellow dwarf star. All stars eventually run out of fuel. They swell up and get 100 times bigger. When this happens, they are known as red giant stars. Red giants are huge. Betelgeuse is a red supergiant star with a diameter of at least 250 million miles across. If Betelgeuse replaced our sun in the solar system, it would swallow up Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. After a red giant uses up all its gas fuel, it will shrink down to its about 10,000 times smaller. Then it is known as a white dwarf. A white dwarf is still very hot. The white dwarf will cool down for billions of years until it dies. Then it is cold, dark, and invisible. It is known as a black dwarf. One day, our sun will use up its fuel and die. Astronomers don't think that will happen for another 5 billion years, though. Supernovas. Different stars lead different kinds of lives. Some stars don't become black dwarfs. Instead, they explode in a flash of light at the end of their lives. These stars are known as supernovas. Supernovas are very rare. In 1054, Chinese astronomers saw a supernova in the sky. Today, people can still see the remains of that explosion with binoculars. It is called the Crab Nebula. It looks like a bright patch of gassy swirls. Okay, guys, that's chapter 3. Make sure you come back whenever you're ready and read chapter 4 with me. All right, see ya.